Gabe is got him into it.
This is leaning. Too.
You got
downward.
you got. We could change it. We could. All right, can he deadlift it? Oh, not bad. This is where you got to thrust it. Nice, nice. Good. If you were guessing right now, how heavy do you think that is?
It's about 2. Well, I got it stood up. Now what do you do with it?
You either hug it to pop it an inch off the ground, or you shoulder the whole thing. Moved it. We have liftoff. Now,
Not shouldering it though.
you're not, yeah, that's gonna.
Not ready for that. All right, throw the ball.
Smash. Nice. Let her down. Not bad, bro. But